So hi YouTube, so we're back with another video. So this is one of the trending music video I just made, trending music I just made right now. So is the music Soba by the kid Lario. So guys, let's just start out so that we check out I made beats. So let's start with the piano roll I made. So guys, let's see what I made. So firstly, you see how I made the piano chord with the melody inside of the piano chord bars. So let's start and see how it sounds. You can see how it sounds so similar with the one and the producer made. So guys, thank you guys for hearing that. So next I wanna move on to the bass. So normal the bass is just normal creation with the bass. So just put the normal stuff according to the piano how it is. So let me play for you. So you can hear the bass sound. Yeah, yeah, that's the lower notes I used here. So you can hear it sounds. So guys, let me move now to the next one. So yeah, I just pick up some chords so that it does just pick up the minor chord, just put it on in this Murphy. So in the Murphy, I just move into the VSC of the Murphy. So I went down to keyboard and move down to number 10, Crystal EP G FG. So it's what I use. I just use it. Let me just use it normally for just the chord progression only. So guys, let me play for you so that you can hear it sound. So guys, let me move on to the next one. So the next here we're gonna start from the snare, from the hi-hat, sorry, from the hi-hat. So let's see how the hi-hat sounds so that you can hear how it sounds. So next, let me move on to the clap. So I wanna bring up the clap so you can hear how the hi-hat sounds so similar to the one they use there. But I know I don't actually get it, but let me bring out the clap next. So the snare is coming up now. So the kick is coming up. So I added another kick from 8 to 8 kick. So let me play so that you can hear how it sounds together. Guys, let me play all the beat together so that you can hear how it sounds together. All the pianos, everything together. So guys, let me play together. Let's hear. I'm really feeling the beats right now. Sorry guys, so I forget to show you that I added some snare. I added some snare for some rows type. So I added some snare for the last row I used. So let me just show you how the row sounds. Just normally I just added is like how the ending of the part of the kick sounds. So let me just play it for you. But yeah, it sounds. So guys, that is what I made. So thank you guys, hope you subscribe to David Studio, David Studio. So hope you subscribe. Thank you guys. So now let me move on to the final part of the band, final arrangement of the beats. So hope you enjoy.